the Promaster halogens are really bad. So I found these for the high and the low beams. Okay, so all these are Phillips. You take these two out here, and there's one down here. To get this top part out, you just have to pop these two back out of these holes, and it comes right out. Okay, so I just took a screwdriver and popped this out in there very gently. That's this part on this side. With two hands, not one, I have to film. You're gonna pull this direction back, and it's gonna make a pop. You're gonna think you broke it, you didn't. Next you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm pretty sure once this is out, you just kind of pull back and freeze it. And once you're in here, you pull this out. And guess what? It's yours now. Subscribe to see how to go in there.